Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys a little fun glam DIY that I'm gonna make with some new items I found at Dollar Tree. Well, at least I think they're new, and some old ones too. Alright everyone, first I'd like to give a quick shout out to one of my subscribers that I met while I was at Dollarama last week. Her name is Andrea. It was so nice meeting you there, and I'm so happy that you stopped me and say hello. And I'd like to thank you so much for supporting my channel. Alright you guys, let's get into the items that we'll be using for this fun feathered DIY. Okay, we have the large round mirror here with the black frame. We'll be using that. Got that from the Dollar Tree. And we have this bling wrap here. The flower bling wrap I called it. And I have these feathers. Yeah. If you saw my last video on taking you into the Dollar Tree, you'll see that they had these in all sorts of colors. So I picked up the blue ones. And look at this, you guys. This is new for me at my Dollar Tree. This bling wrap here, it's the turquoise bluish color. It's very pretty and sparkly. And we have the black foam board, you guys. And we have our scissors and our glue gun. And we have the E6000 here. Alright, you guys, let's get started. Alright, everyone, we're going to start with our black foam board. And I have this large this large circle. And I'm just going to trace out the circle onto the foam board. So we can cut it out and we'll have a nice big circle to work with our mirror that we're going to make. Okay, so I just used my scissors and cut out the round circle. So now we're going to take out the mirror out of the case, and I'm just going to place it here. Try to center it as good as possible, and I'm going to trace the circle around the mirror so I know where to place my feathers. And now we're going to take our feathers, you guys, and start gluing them all around the circle. And now we're just going to take our bling wrap and add it to the circle. I cut 4 strips and just going to add them down. And now I'm just going to go back around and add more feathers because it is kind of thin. So we're just going to go around back in the circle and add more feathers as we go on to just make it look more fluffy and nice. Alright, you guys, now we're going to bling out the mirror. I'm going to add the flower bling wrap going around the mirror. I think it's so cute. I call it flowers. They look like little flowers. So we're just going to add this going all the way around the mirror. And now I'm just going to take a little piece of foam and glue it to the center because the mirror doesn't really touch the bottom. So this will give it a little extra lift so the mirror can lay flat within the center of our design. And here's our finished look, you guys. I think it looks so cute. It's a different concept. You know, with the feathers, I thought, what can I do with the feathers? You know, and I came up with this idea. And I think it looks very nice. It would look nice in a beauty room, in your daughter's room. You know, I think it looks so super cute. I'm going to have it in my studio room. The room I use for filming, that's where I'm going to place this. I think it is so cute. And you know what? I might use it as a display. A display tray like. Because before I put it on the wall, I had it on the table and I had some stuff on it. And I go, this looks super cute this way. Yeah. So who knows? You might see it in one of my upcoming videos as a display. to display things on. I think it looks super cute. All right, you guys. Thank you so much for coming on today and seeing the fun feathered mirror design that I did for today. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already so you can come back and see more of the DIYs I come up with to share with you guys. Alright, everyone. Remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone. Now making my moves, making my move. Ooh, you know, yeah. Just tell me when the lights go down.